for having me. I'm Jane Tucker from Pawtucket. Thank you, Chairman and the rest of the committee. So I don't have a whole lot to say. There's a lot that's been said tonight, and I'll keep it brief. So like I said, I live in Pawtucket. I'm a nurse and a public health researcher. I've never been involved in anything with politics before. I kind of thought of my life as being devoted to my service of people through improving health. And what I realized at this election is that I can't help people with their health if the politics of our country and our democracy are no longer in place. So it's something that has become a big focus for me over the past few months. But one thing I thought I could bring to this discussion is the children. So I have two children. I have a 5 and a 6-year-old. And we have friends who are immigrants. And after the election, you know, my daughter's very aware, and it's hard for her not to overhear what's going on. Her concern and was crying over, will our friend Sophia, will she be sent back to her country? What's going to happen to her? You know, so that kind of fear is something that's really concerning to me among the children in our state. And I believe that this resolution is a way that we can reassure our children and all of the vulnerable people in our state that we're behind them. So there's so much coming down from Washington that's saying the opposite thing, but this resolution is a way that we could show our support. I recently saw a statistic, I like statistics, but about the number of undocumented children in grades K through 12 in 2014 with an undocumented parent. That was 6.2%. So that's nearly 1 in 15 children in our state have an undocumented parent. If you think about it, that's at least one kid in every classroom. Think about how frightened those children must be living in this climate. Even if we're able to block these immigration bans and deportation orders and things like that, this culture of fear is very real in our state. It's very present, and it's very concerning to me for the children that are living here. So that's what I bring to the table. If you have any questions, I don't know.
Thank you, Jane. Any questions?